Welcome to an educational science video. This is a penis worm. Penis worms, also called cactus worms, make up the phylum Priapulida. But what is a penis worm? How could they have possibly gotten their name? How many times can I say the word penis in a YouTube video without getting in trouble? And will my mom still be proud of me by the end of it? We'll find the answers to all these questions and more as we continue exploring the Tree of Life. The phylum Priapulida is named after the Greek god Priapus, although for the life of me I can't figure out why that would be. Oh god, my goodness. Side note, Priapus has one of the wildest Wikipedia pages that I've ever encountered, so read it with friends and family. There are currently 22 known described species of penis worm, making them one of the smallest phyla on planet Earth. But their fossil record seems to indicate a much broader range of biodiversity. While modern Priapulids don't definitively appear in the fossil record until the Carboniferous period, roughly 300 million years ago, fossil animals with nearly identical body structures have been traced back to the Middle Cambrian, over 500 million years ago. Go back even further to the beginning of the Cambrian period, and you can find fossilized burrows that strongly resemble those of modern Priapulids, pushing their origin back over 540 million years ago. And since the first animal penis didn't evolve until about 425 million years ago, the penis worm has existed longer than actual penises have. They range in size from only a couple of millimeters to over 15 inches long, but most average between 5 and 6 inches long, which for some reason just makes sense. The Priapulid body plan is pretty simple, but still easier to explain with props. I'll be right back. Penis worms have three main parts. The trunk, which is the main part of the body. The caudal appendage, which is still a bit mysterious. It's this feathery tail, and scientists aren't quite sure what it does, but probably has something to do with respiration. And then there's the really interesting part. At the very top of the body, at the front, is called the introvert. The introvert includes a pharynx that is lined with rows of hooks. To capture prey, the introvert is inverted so it's out of the body, like so. Once prey is captured, the pharynx rolls back into the body and leads the prey into the mouth, like so. I didn't have to use lubricated condoms, but I did. Penis worms live in soft, muddy substrate from the shallow subtidal zone down to depths of several thousand meters. Most seem to prefer colder waters along the northern coasts of North America, Europe, and Asia, although a few smaller species are also found in tropical waters. In cold water, penis worms grow much larger. I would have expected the opposite based on personal experience, but everyone's different. Although the average individual is unlikely to see a penis worm in person, they're still quite densely populated in some areas. In one Alaskan bay, as many as 85 adult individuals of Priapulus caudatus per square meter have been recorded. This is what scientists refer to as a sausage party. And when population density is this high in any ecosystem, it usually indicates that they have a significant impact on that ecosystem. Like literally every animal species, they're an integral part of the food web. While the most famous members of this phylum are carnivores, some are also filter feeders, and others are detritivores. Two very important jobs for marine organisms. Penis worms are fairly widespread and easy to find, but they're still very understudied, and their abundance in the fossil record makes it clear that they played a big role in the ecology of Cambrian oceans, which can tell us a lot about how those prehistoric ecosystems functioned. Always remember that there is no such thing as an inconsequential animal, and even the most phallic-shaped citizens of planet Earth are still a part of the Tree of Life. Next week, more worms! This time, less penisy and more ribbony, as we meet the bizarre and beautiful members of the phylum Nemertea, the ribbon worms. Until then, stay curious, stay connected, and never stop evolving.